started recording now.
Okay, that's great, and I can see you properly that you are visible. Okay,
Okay,
so
okay.
before going to ahead, Parsi, may I know about yourself?
Yes, yes, why not? Now I must tell about myself. My name is Parthi Amrom. I am studying in class 7 and I am 13 years old. And I am living in West Bengal state and district Purulia. We are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. That's all about me.
Oh, that's great. Nice introduction, Parsi. So let me introduce myself.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So yeah, my name is Jamdij Rai and I am from Bihar. I am
Oh,
intermediate pass.
okay, okay.
And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are I love to travel, I love to talk new people, and I love to learn new things. I have a small YouTube channel where I upload English conversation videos, and I have been running YouTube channel for last 6 months. Apart from that, I am doing job in Kuwait. It is called abroad. Okay,
Oh,
I have come here for the job purpose. Yeah, that's all about me, Parsi.
oh,
Hmm.
that's great. That's great. And I think that you are doing job in abroad country. Am I right?
Yeah, you are absolutely right. I'm doing job.
Okay, okay, okay. That's great. And how long time have you been doing that job?
You know, I have been working. I have been working. You know, I have been working in Kuwait for last 10 years.
Oh, 10 years. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes.
I
And
came.
I
I
think that,
came Kuwait. Yeah, go ahead.
yes, yes. I think that I saw you. Yes, yes. On YouTube channel, I think that I saw you in like Jadoo channel. Yes. You
Okay.
were, yes, yes,
That's
yes.
correct.
You
Yeah, I had
Jadoo.
conversation with Jadu Kiso.
Yes, yes,
Mhm.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I saw you at the time. Yes. Okay, okay.
Mhm.
So, sir, you are speaking English very well. Would you like to tell that how did you learn this language? And are there environment of English?
Mhm.
Yes.
I would like to say to you, like, when I started learning English, so I did not have environment, and still I don't have environment. And
Oh,
where am I living? Is totally desert area. I'm alone here, okay, and I'm doing job alone. So once upon a time when I purchased one SIM card. After that, I put in my mobile. After that, after some days, money was debited from my account. After that, when I called customer care, he started talking to me English language. At that time, I didn't know English language. Okay.
oh,
After that, I thought, if I have to live in this country, then I have to speak English. I have to learn English language. After that, I started learning English. So when I started learning English, so I didn't know grammar. First of all, I learned grammar,
yes,
basic
yes.
rule, like for tenses, modals, causative, passive, conditional. After that, I uploaded Highbrow app as fluency, and whatever I knew that time, I tried to practice with co-learner, and still I am remember that when I called first time with co-learner, I was not able to speak a single word. Okay,
Oh,
at that time
yes.
I was regretting that I was thinking that how should I learn English and from where should I start learning English. So anyhow, I did not leave my journey. Okay, and I have been learning English for last 1 year. So now I am able to speak English, and
Yes.
I am, you can say, capable to understand English. This is
Oh,
my this is my whole journey.
okay. That's great. That's great. Okay, okay. So you realized that one person like called you at that time you didn't know English, and just you were thinking that if you have to leave this country at that time you must like you must have to learn English language. Yes, because English is an international language. That's why we have to learn this language. Because like if we want to go any abroad country at that time, we have to like learn this language. Without learning this language, like we cannot go, because English is an international language. English is used all on the country. That's why we must learn this language, and for getting good job also it will help us. Yes.
Yeah, definitely. Now, I am already in the abroad. So sometimes, I have to speak English when I go to the market, when I go to the airport. So at that time, I have to speak English. Okay. And, nowadays, everywhere is spoken English. Like
Yeah.
India, any place, English is spoken everywhere. So, you know, if you know English language, then you can go anywhere. We can talk with any stranger people, right?
Yeah. Yes. 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 Yes.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, I know you are studying in 7th standard and you are 13 years old, okay, and you are learning this language. What's the reason behind that you started learning English? Okay, what do you want to
Oh
become in the
yes.
future?
Yes, yes. So, like, I was motivated by a person that whose name is Jadu. I think that you must know because you talk to Jadu, and also I got a motivation through Jadu. And after that, also I wanted to learn learn that language, because, like, at the time when I wanted to learn, at the time I didn't know that this like English is very important to us. But when I learned after 4 5 days, I understood that this language is very important to us. And after that, I started learning a lot. And like when I wanted to learn at the time, I had no any environment. And like when I didn't get motivation at the time, I was thinking that like who are studying only in English medium school, like that people also can speak this language. But like when I saw Jadu, then I understood that like all people can speak this language, not only like who are studying in English medium school, like this people only can speak. It is not like this. Like this, like I thought like all people can speak this language. So also I started practicing a lot. And like when I practiced for 1 month, and after that also I was able to speak English little bit. And when I spoke in front of my father was telling me that you can speak English very well. Then I thought that now I am able to speak English little bit, so I should also speak with people. Then I had no any idea that how can I join people, how can I speak with people. But in my village there were no any people that who speak in English language. So it is very hard to speak with people. So like I watched many English conversion videos at the time. I understood day by day. Like I understood that there are one application here that what like I can speak English in free in that like app with people. So after that like I downloaded, and like when I practiced for 1 month, after that I created my YouTube channel. Yes, which
Okay.
now is
You did practice only 1 month. After that, you started your YouTube channel.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Like when I practiced for 1 month, and after that also I started running on my YouTube channel.
Okay. So Parsi, what do you want to become in your future?
Yes, yes. I want to become I want to become teacher in my future. I think you must know that our country has many illiterate people. So I wanna teach them, and if I can become teacher at the time, I can teach them and they can get knowledge. That's why I have decided to become teacher.
Okay. So do you want to become English teacher and other?
No, I wanna teach all subject, not only English, like geography, history, math, science, all English. Yes.
Okay, that's great. So Parsi, tell me, my viewer, what kind of activity do you use in order to improve your English?
Yes, yes, yes. If I want I'm running, and like what will I tell that every day I am listening a lot English conversion videos. I am watching a lot of English conversion videos on YouTube, and every day I am practicing. I am using mirror technique, and I am practicing every day. And every day I'm learning vocabularies every day. Yes, two, three every day I am learning. So
Mhm.
every day, and also I am trying to speak English with people in this application, like Skype application, like this I am practicing. Yes, yes.
That's great. That's good. And who suggested you that you should learn English?
Yes, it's like I got a motivation after that. Also, I was so excited to learn this language, and when I wanted to like learn this language at that time, my father also didn't know that I was learning. And like one day when I spoke in front of my father emerged, and my father was thinking that my daughter can speak English very well, and my father was so happy, and my father told me, okay, keep like learning this language. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Or any.
So do you study, private school and government school?
Yes, I study in government school and I am not studying in English medium school. And in my school also there are no any student that who speak. And also like my English teacher also doesn't speak in English language. Yes,
Okay.
but
Only you are speaking English, right? In your school.
yes, sometimes also I speak because my when I like I speak myself. There are no any person because when I speak in front of my school friends at that time my school fellows cannot understand that. Yes, they get bored.
Definitely, I can say definitely you are doing great. You are utilizing your time and whatever you want to do in your future, you can do. Okay. Because you are respecting your time right way. Okay. So
Oh
definitely
yes,
you can become a teacher. Okay. In your future. May God bless you. You are 13 years old and you are trying to learn this language. So definitely you can achieve anything. But you should have, a strong desire, dedication. Definitely you can achieve.
yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And when I wanted to run at the time when I was speaking with people at the time, I was getting hesitation a lot. But when I spoke like for a week after that, like I like now like I was speaking like confidently. Yes. At that time I was not getting fear. Little bit I was getting fear
Yeah,
because
I can say you one thing here. It's happened, starting time, I had also in hesitation, fear that, I was thinking that how can I talk stranger people? Okay, how can I talk because they know English, better than me. How can I talk? But gradually, I have removed my hesitation. Okay, so no need to fear, no need to think a lot. According to your knowledge, you have to speak in front of them, no problem. Okay, if you are
yes.
speaking wrong, so I'm not going to kill you. And I'm speaking wrong, you are not going to kill me. Okay?
Yeah.
Being a friend, you can say, being a co-learner, you can correct me. Where am I making mistake? Okay? And where you are making mistake, I can correct you. Okay?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is a learning process.
Yes.
This is a learning process.
Yeah. Yes, you are right, sir. Okay. And did you get like did you pass any what will I tell? Did you get any like I forgot what I was asking. Yes, I forgot this
If
one.
you face
Like
any kind of problem, you are asking.
yes. Did you face any difficulty to learn this language?
Yes, I faced lots of difficulties because you know I am intermediate pass. Okay, and I didn't know
Oh,
grammar when I started learning English. First of all, I had to learn grammar, and when I went to grammar, I saw there were so many grammar rule: present,
oh,
past, future, conditional, modif, narration, conditional, so many things. Then I thought, how should I learn all grammar? Okay, it is
yes.
not easy to learn all grammar. Then I thought, okay, no, first of all, I learned, I should learn only tenses. Okay,
Yes.
then I learned, only tenses. When I, learned tenses, then at that time, I was able to make sentence. Okay, and
Yes.
one day I was watching video on the YouTube, and I got to know from that video that if you know tenses, then and there is no need to go ahead, no need to learn all grammar. It's enough, and you can speak English. After that, I left, learning grammar. After that, I started speaking English with co-learner. So
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
yeah, I'm able to speak English. No problem.
Yeah. Yes.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
I
Karthi,
yeah. Please ask me.
do you have time? Oh.
Yes. What you were asking? Please ask me.
No, I'm asking you. I'm saying I was saying to it's been 15 minutes. So I have work. Okay, if you allow
Oh,
me.
yes. Okay, why not? I must.
Okay, thank you, Parsi. So definitely we will meet in future. Huh?
Okay. Thanks, sir. I enjoyed very much talking to you, and I must meet you another time.
Okay,
Yes.
definitely. Thank you so much.